So I received this package, and this is from Nike, as you can see. They had a good offer online, so I purchased these items. Let's have a look. Let's unbox this. What do we have? Let's take this out. Okay. Let's get this box out of the way. So, good old Nike shoe box here. What's inside? Wow, here we have the 2022 Nike Vaporfly 2 Nike Vaporfly Next Percent 2 Ekiden edition. So this is the special edition Japanese colorway of this shoe. Wow, look at this. Sick. And this, I believe it's called University Gold colorway. Yes. Oh, the midsole feels so soft when it's brand new out of the box. Feels like my version 1 Next Percents. Awesome. So Nike were doing an offer on these online. End of season, I guess the end of the first part of the year, and I got this for about £70 off, engineered to the exact specifications of world-class runners. Nike running, the iconic words there. It says Ekiden inside, and running at the back. Then we have measured in the lab, verified with medals and records. Sick. Okay, let's put this box away. It says Nike Zoom X Vaporfly Next Percent 2 University Gold Black Pollen, that's the colorway, and then US 10 UK 9. Okay, so let's talk about these shoes for a minute. Well, I'm not gonna review these shoes because everyone into running kind of knows the specs of these shoes, and basically these are still the king of road running shoes of today as of 2022, and these are the latest, kind of one of the latest colorways, the special edition Ekiden. Very nice colorway. I'm surprised how the midsole is a bit softer than my other version 2s, because there is a difference in some of these midsole foam compositions in terms of softness. The other version 2s, which I've had my half marathon PB from last March at Paddock Wood, it has slightly harder second bottom layer of Zoom X, like this bit, although the top bit is similar, it's all soft, but yeah, like slightly different compound. That's the bottom, all standard Vaporfly Next Percent. Amazing. So And one more bonus thing I wanted to show, because people might be curious. These are the Vaporfly Next Percent version 1 Ekidens, the original Ekidens from 2020. So we have V1 Ekidens and version 2 Ekidens right here. So in summary, these shoes for road running are like Tina Turner's famous song. These are simply the best, you know. So, and this particular pair of shoes was my first super shoe that I got back in July of 2020, and I've set all my PBs from 1 mile to 10k in these, and even my old half marathon PB in these. The new half marathon PB is with the version 2 of these in a different colorway, but yeah, most recently I ran the Gosport Golden Mile in these shoes, and I ran a new PB of 5 minutes and 40 seconds. So incredible shoes. So these are the Nike Vaporfly Next Percent Ekiden editions. Incredible.